Hello world and welcome to my channel. This video is on a product I got from VEVOR. I think that's how you say it. VEVOR. I'm trying out these ones and see what they're like, some of the tools and things. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Cheers. Well, this is it. Quite weighty. Okay. Box. Okay, so it's in a nice plastic container, reflective things on the front, because it is a safety device I've got. So yeah, they'll reflect if you have roadside trouble at night. That's a good addition to it. Didn't know they had that. And then you got these metal clasps on here. They're good. And that's it. So we have a pair of gloves. We have a jack. Tire pressure light jack, and a tension wrench for a wheel nut. All run off 12 volts. 12 volt lead, very long. Have to find out how long that is. Up here you've got a cigarette lighter and a battery clamp. So you've got a plug there to put an extension, clamp it on your battery, and then you put a cigarette lighter in here like that. That goes into there, and that plugs onto your device. All fits in neatly here. Comes with two different size sockets, so you can take your wheels off. No idea what that thing is. No idea. Anyway. That goes into there, into there, into there, into there, into there. And then close it up. Yep. Okay. The gloves in. Okay, I'll take you over here for the ride. Get a close-up view of this. Yeah, that's the case there. No, 350 by 60, something like that. Just a reflective triangle on here, so you could set it up if you're by the roadside at night and reflect the lights so people know you're there. Metal clasps here and metal clasps there. Open it up, and that's what it looks like. Brand new. I'm gonna try it out, but okay. So I've used this connection that comes with through the plug they gave you, which is a 4-meter plug lead, down to the back down here. So I'm just giving this a trial now. See how it works. Now I've chocked the front wheels, or the opposite front wheel, and I've also got the handbrake on. So I'm just doing this as a trial. Yeah, that's the unit there. I'm just going to see how it goes up and test it out. Okay, the switch here is for up and down, so undo that. I'll unscrew this too. Okay, and I'll try going up now. Okay, well that's off the ground. It's 5 tonne, I suppose. My Hilux would be about 2.4 total. One wheel wouldn't be a quarter, it'd be more than a quarter. Even if it's I don't know, 1,000 kilos. Yeah, 1 tonne, just say 1 tonne. It won't be 1 tonne, but 1 tonne on one aim. That just lifted it right up. So there's I'll just show you down here. You can see there's air under the tyre. So that just lifted that up. Change your tyre. I don't want to get the rattle gun out. The rattle gun will work alright, I think. But yeah, and to go down again, you just hit this down button. It's already gone down there, so I'll just let it go right down fully. Yeah, that's definitely going to work. Screw that back down again. Yeah, well, definitely lifted my full drive tyre off. Yeah, one side is marked 12 volt. You pull out the bit of a lead and you plug in your extension cable. And on top of here you have the up and down buttons. That one there turns the light on. a really good light up the front. Other one is the air compressor. Oh, sorry. This one here is a jack. Okay, that's for the switch for the jack. That one's for the compressor. So this switch here controls the jack and the compressor. So yeah, you put it on jack and you go down or up, and you put on compressor. No, sorry again. So you have it on that to use the jack up and down. That's the light on and off, and then that switch operates just the compressor. The compressor and jack, light, and up and down for the jack. So turn it around. Now you have a little tyre gauge on here. Just got to open up this door. Try one-handed. So in here you have your fuses, you got adapters, yeah, and your lead, little lead for your tyre. And this here is slow and fast button. Let's see what it says there. So that's what that does. Okay, I'm just going to leave that out at the moment while I check out the rattle gun. Okay, I might just try one. Plug this in. Okay. Aha. Oh, geez. Wow, that's quick. Look at a little light on the front too. Wow, that's quick. I'm gonna have to torque that one up, but anyway. Wow, gets it on and off real quick. So on top of here you have a forward and reverse switch. Take that off. Just got a shaft, that's all it has. Pity you can't slow it down. Pretty abrupt. Yeah, and the lead, extension lead plugs into here as well. And they're the size sockets. You've got one there and one there with the thing in the middle, and then you got another one there and another one there. So you can see the different sizes. There's four different sizes for different wheels and things. So wow, that's very abrupt. But anyway, it got it on and off real quick. So that works. And yeah, and that's the unit there. All 12 volt. Don't think it uses much power. It's only in a skinny lead. It didn't even get warm. So yeah, it went on and off really quick with that. So it should be a good addition to my caravan at least. Yeah. So it definitely works. So this is the specifications. It's power rated at 180 watts, 15 amps, has a 15 amp fuse, 4 meters of power cable, which I've said before. Maximum car loading is 5 ton. The lifting range is between 155 to 450 millimeters. Weight is 4.8 kilograms. The pump is 35 litres a minute, 10 amps, goes between 10 bar and 10 bar or 150 psi it'll go up to. And the length of the hose is only 600 millimeters. So that's those specifications. Tells you how to replace the fuse. And it says do not use it continuously for more than 10 minutes. It's only a little unit. Only use the sockets that are included. And then when you're using the clatter sound is heard, turn the switch off 3 to 5 seconds after you hear a clatter. That means it's tight. So the rattle gun, it's 80 watts, 13 amps of power, 15 amp fuse. Maximum torque, I've said it before, is 450 Newton meters. Looking at that. Open it up a bit more. It just warns you not to use it for a long time. Well, that should be understandable with only a tiny unit. You wouldn't chuck, do all your 4 tyres on a 4-wheel drive. It's for doing one tyre or getting a bit of air in for a little bit. Oh, windy. Yeah, so tells you what switches are. The 4 is a safety valve. So that's a safety valve there on top of that unit. That's what it's called, a safety valve. You can adjust it. It is adjustable safety valve. And just fault diagnosis there. Right. and the fuse is inside the plug. So that's the unit. It doesn't say what that is. I don't know. Maybe it's in the specifications for this. They're the parts. Electric hydraulic jack, electric wrench, safety rescue hammer. It's a safety rescue hammer for smashing a window, I suppose. Yeah. Safety rescue hammer. Wow. You can break a window or something to get somebody out. That's what that's classified as. And yeah, I'm just going to pack it back up again. I'm happy with that. It's going to work well on my caravan, I think. Ease of use, and I don't have to carry the 30 kilo floor jack I bought for it. Lucky that the floor jack was on special. I have used the floor jack on my ute before, but it was just too hard to carry around. So I'll put it back together again and show you the box again. So it's all back in together, nice and neat, fits in pretty easily, lots of room, you're not having to struggle squashing things in. The jack works fine, the compressor works, I'm sure it'll be fine. But I've got another compressor for my ute, so it's going to be for my caravan more mainly. And I don't think I'd need the compressor, but I could do. Nice little compact unit. And a reflective, you can just set that up when you're breaking down with the caravan and people can see it. And it wouldn't have taken much current out of the battery. Only very little wattage. The alligator clips onto the battery connection didn't even get warm. So I'm really I think it still wouldn't have drawn much current at all. But still, if you're going to do it more than once or twice, you probably need to run the car when you're doing it, maybe. But I still don't think it'll use much power. So my conclusion is, it's a good unit. Happy with it. And I'll put a price up on the screen, how much it cost me. Yeah, I think it'll serve me well for the caravan. Well, I hope you like this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Cheers.